Hello guys, welcome once again. We are trying to give you the breakdown of the market, what we should expect by this new week that we are going to start today, which is by the midnight. So guys, you see, on NASDAQ, we saw that NASDAQ has already given us a reversal candlestick on daily. If you check here, if you check my cursor here, you've seen a reversal candlestick here, and you see the market has reversed, and market closed with a reversal candle. I mean, with a bearish candle. So it means there is tendency the market might jump in the midnight to sell, or maybe it's going to jump up and after fall down. But we saw something on H1 H1. We saw something. We saw something like a reversal candlestick also on on H1, but it was not respected. If you see here, we saw a reversal here, we saw a reversal here. You see my cursor, saw a reversal there. So there is tendency that the market doesn't want to go up for now. Though last week we made more than 5,000 pips on the buy setup that we gave to you guys. So it was very nice. It was very beautiful. So it was a nice setup. So now, if you are looking for an entry on NASDAQ, the best thing is to look for a sell, and you might start selling when the market opens. But as we know, the US30 and NASDAQ, they are going the same direction. So it is a little bit confusing, because if you check on US30 on Dow Jones, you're going to see that the market is also selling. I mean, like it has also formed a reversal candlestick on daily, then which means it's also selling. If you check on H4, you're going to see the pure reversal candlestick properly. So, but on daily also, it gave us this is if you see my cursor, that is where the reversal candlestick is. So, and you see it's also falling. So actually, the market doesn't give us a specific direction that the market want to go. But if we want to follow the reversal candlestick on the daily, it means the market might fall to where it came from last week. I mean, like it might give us also more than 5,000 pips, like even more, you see. So, and if you check on H1, that is another thing which you might also want to check. So if you check on H1, we saw a reversal candlestick on H1. So on H1, it's not so clear until we go to M30. If you check on M30 is saying to us that the market want to go up a little bit. You see, if you draw your trend line properly here, if you draw your trend line properly here, let's see. If you draw your trend line properly here, if you draw your trend line properly here, you see, this is trend line. This is trend line. This is the second one. This is the second one. This is the second one. So it means here, this is a reversal candlestick here. That's my cursor. If we just position this trend line properly, so and we now put, I mean, like we put arrow. So it means the markets want to go up to this level. We don't know, maybe it's going to exceed this level. Then after, it's going to start falling. That is what we think. But you should be very careful. You should make sure you see a very clear setup before you can set in. I mean, before you can go in, because the way market is now, the market doesn't give us a free, I mean, a clear entry. But as for buy on US30, it gave us a clear entry. But the way the market is, it seems like a Monday, Tuesday, we're going to enjoy a lot of sales. Then maybe the market might continue to buy. And also, we also see some manipulations also last Friday, because normally when the market opens, when the market is about to close on Friday, it used to close with a bullish candlestick, but last Friday it closed with a bearish candlestick. So you have to be very careful. You have to make sure you confirm everything before you can be able to enter. Like I've said, we are seeing more of sell than buy, but anything can happen. We see sell more than buy, but anything can happen. Maybe there will be a reversal by the zones which we have drawn so far. by the zones which we have drawn. So you just have to be very careful with everything which you are doing. So thank you so much. And we're going to send another analysis on Bitcoin soon. So thank you and enjoy the rest of your weekend.